Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a common problem that many of us have encountered while using our devices. The issue at hand is problem. It can be frustrating and disrupt our workflow, but fear not, as I have an ingenious solution to share with you. The solution to our tech woe is actually quite simple. By solution, you can quickly and effectively resolve the problem. This nifty trick will save you time and prevent any future headaches when facing similar challenges. Now, you may be wondering how this solution works in practice. Well, let me walk you through the steps. First, solution. Then, solution. And finally, solution. It's truly a game changer and will undoubtedly simplify your tech experience. In summary, problem could be a real nuisance, but with the solution I've shared with you today, you'll be well equipped to tackle it head-on. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and leave a comment below with your favorite tech hack. Until next time, happy problem solving.